Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. So I'm Ananya, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a very easy greeting card with less supplies. So first of all you need these three sheets, white, pink and yellow, sunny yellow. Then I've cut some butterflies from a big butterfly punch like this, so you need several of them. Then you need a scissor, some sketch pens, one rounder, one pencil, one scale and one fevicol and some pearls. So let's start. So for the first step we'll take this sheet of pink color and we'll fold it into half, and we'll keep it like this. And now I'm going to take my rounder. So I've set my rounder and now I'll measure, take the scale. So it's 3.8 but you can take it 4, and then we'll draw a circle in the center of the paper. This way I've drawn a circle. It's very light but it will be visible. So now you have to cut this circle from one side. Just insert your scissor like this and cut the full circle. So guys, this way our circle is cut. And now what we will do is we have to make paper flowers. So to make the paper flowers I have cut these two sheets. So the first one, this one is of 5 by 5 centimeter and this is of 7.5 by 7.5 centimeter. So for how to make a paper flower, first we will fold it like this, equal parts, fold it again, and fold it again. We are not making a big flower, so 5 centimeter is the perfect measurement. And also 7.5 centimeter paper is also there. Now what we will do is, with the help of a pencil, we'll keep this side here, and on this sheet we will draw a figure like this. And now I will cut it out. And we'll open it. So here we get a very beautiful flower like this. Now when we get this beautiful flower, we'll take this sheet and we'll fold it, this one also like this. This is of 7.5 by 7.5. Fold it like this, like this. And the same step will be repeated. Fold it like this. You need to get these 3 folds like this. And now take this side and again we'll draw the same one. And open it up. You'll get a very pretty flower like this. Now the next step, you have to stick this flower on this. And stick it on this flower. And fold it side like this. And press it like this. And now what we'll do is we'll take a pearl, a single piece, and stick it in between, and this beautiful flower will get ready. So now you have to prepare one more flower like this. I've prepared it here. And now we'll take our sheet And here we will stick these flowers on the side. We don't have to stick it fully. Just like a small part has to be stick. Apply only this much of glue. Stick it here. Stick this one also here. And now we will take our butterflies and we'll arrange it like this on the corner of the sheet. You have to attach them, and now we will paste them. Paste all of them like this. I've pasted all of them, and now we have to write Happy New Year here. So I'll take the purple sketch pen. So guys, this way I've written Happy New Year, and now I will paste one more butterfly here. I hope it is not looking good, so I'll not paste it. So this way our Happy New Year greeting card is ready, and it looks very pretty. And guys, for further decoration here I have pasted two balls. So this way our very pretty New Year greeting card is ready, and I hope you guys will like it. So give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how was it. Bye guys, meet you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.